All right. Well, I did a little intro video the other day. I'm just getting to posting it here, probably maybe just before this one. Anyhow, I was originally just gonna cut a few things up and make some shape changes, but I just couldn't live with it and ended up stripping this baby down to just the bones, and I've decided I'm going to be using the rigid foam instead, primarily because of how much lighter it is than that 1/4 inch plywood I was using. I thought 1/4 inch plywood was pretty lightweight, but once I started deassembling this thing, deconstructing it, I was taking some weight of things, and I found that this foam is more than half the weight of the plywood. I still do like the idea of having a frame to it. Most of the people that I've seen doing the teardrop trailers and stuff, they don't seem to have a whole lot of framing in it, but I'm going to, because I'd like to be able to put a rack in here, rack on this thing. So I'm gonna have to put some sort of support here, just like this. Just gonna have to move them to a better spot. Anyhow, I did get a weight on this before I took it off. It's somewhere between 200 and 260. I used a truck scale, and I came up with 260, but as I deconstructed it, I was weighing each piece, and my total is closer to around 205 or so. So hard to say which is right, but it was at least 200 pounds, much more than I thought it was. I think with the we're using the rigid foam, I'm going to use a 2-inch on the sides and 1 inch on the top. It should come in at around 100 pounds, which would be real nice. It'll be easy for me to get on. My truck won't even know it's there, and with the new shape to it, I'm hoping that it's gonna meet my specific needs, which is improved gas mileage. Either way, it's still gonna work real nice. I miss it right now. I'm camping in the back of that thing over there, much tighter than this big one. You've seen some of my other videos. I could stand up and move around and had lots of space to go. This one, I'll just give you a quick look at it. This is all I got room for. Bed, a little bit of side stuff here. I can slide a few things underneath the bed, but not near as much. It's amazing how much different it looks having this little topper on versus the other one. Truck bed itself is the same size, but when that other topper's on here, the one I'm rebuilding, it's kind of like that the old cartoons, when you look inside the tent and it looks like the Taj Mahal inside, but it's only a small teepee on the outside. That's kind of how I feel this way. Anyhow, that's all I got for now. I'll keep you abreast of the progress.